Philosophies based on the truth and hypocrisy, like you a Pharisee. No animosity to those who say that I won't go far and see. My dreams come to light like Woody and Buzz Lightning. I'm most likely to succeed, and I don't need no student signatures to get the confirmation. Indiza fly as hell, that's why you call this polar region. You wouldn't get it if you meet air, and I don't got L's like the Shona language. I'm from a place where people worry about how to bury their parents, when some niggas worry about how to spend their inheritance. People are loyal only when it's convenient. You rappers can't touch me like the Ark of the Covenant. You come after me. My name is Indiza. I'm from Kuluman 5. From a friend, Real Tman. The song, basically it was a freestyle. Then on the second verse I decided to go a little bit personal. So I talk a little bit about religion and a little bit about my relationship with my father.
Yeah, ngilomthwalo indawo ungawethuli ncube. Yeah, ngiskayayi njengokhozi ngihlaba intombi yakho ngingakahlaba umkhosi. I love more njengomajayivana. I make sure ukuthi uzulu uyajayivali. Ndimi imbili lizinyoka nyayishaya inyoka, not because ngingulova. Lami ngelinye ilanga nzahamba ngeLange Rover. Ikho ngibuye kumthuli ncube. Ngilomthwalo indaba ungawethuli ncube. So kulesikhathi singakhulumi ncube, kodwa isikho ukuthi besithuli ncube. Gone the days okuhlutshwa ngomadube. Dlala dlala, the kind of guy ohlanyisa umama zala. The kind of guy ohlaliza umama zala. When I'm in the club they gon' tell me dlala dlala. My pastor say I'm a chosen vessel, but I invest only in myself. I'm selfish and selfless. At the same time, it's a paradox. Shifting paradigms while y'all niggas preparing knocks. I'm speaking in codes, I'm feeling like Jeff Forden. My daddy was a pastor too. We always talked about the pain it took, and now I'm thinking about the pain it took to see him leave and never turned around to look what he conceived. So I denounced religion that he believed, and now I'll be preaching about aporectomy to all of the children. And what the children sees is traumas that we la la la. The kind of guy ohlanyisa umama zala. The kind of guy ohlaliza umama zala. When I'm in the club they gon' tell me la 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 la. Yo, This is J Evans, the incarnation of JMN. With my intuition, I am the man who gon' bring change. My iniquities, I am misconception designed by those who envy us. But I remain calm, collected. I refuse to be a big pawn, I'm no chamisa. I give them fire like Prometheus. I don't take promethazine in my cuisine, Philippines. But I ain't never been to the archipelago. La 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 la. The kind of guy ohlanyisa umama zala. The kind of guy ohlaliza umama zala. When I'm in the club they gon' tell me la 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 la.